Hi everyone, my name is Kendrick and welcome to Travel and Live Free. In this video, we're going to do a quick guide on how the HSBC World Elite Mastercard works, coming right up. The HSBC World Elite Mastercard is one of those credit cards that I've been avoiding getting just because I've been so lazy, because there's so many credit cards in Canada that can earn you points towards travel that I just completely neglected it. But after quite some time, I finally pulled the trigger and I got this card during the promotional period, and I would say that so far it's been a good decision to get this card. Speaking of promotions, I would not recommend getting this card outside the promotional period because they only give you 20,000 HSBC points as opposed to the 100,000 HSBC welcome bonus points if you live in Canada, or 130,000 HSBC points if you live in Quebec. If you live in the rest of Canada, there's also no annual fee for the first year, but if you live in Quebec, there is an annual fee for the first year regardless of the promotion, but they do give you that bigger sign-up bonus. The HSBC World Elite Mastercard helps you earn 6 points for every dollar spent on travel-related purchases and 3 HSBC points for all other purchases. You can also transfer your HSBC points to different frequent flyer programs such as Asia Miles at 0.32 ratio, or 25,000 points equals 8,000 Asia Miles. I do recommend you transfer your Asia Miles during promotional period where you get 10 to 15% more points. You can also transfer it to KrisFlyer at 25,000 points to 9,000 KrisFlyer points, or 0.36 ratio. KrisFlyer is interesting because it's one of the few frequent flyer programs in Canada that lets you transfer it to that famous Singapore Airlines program. And if you ever want to fly on that first class Singapore suites, then this is a good opportunity for you to do that. Finally, you can transfer 25,000 HSBC points to British Airways Avios, and you're gonna get 10,000 British Airways Avios. The ratio for this transfer is 0.4, and it's even better during promotional period where you can get up to 35% more points, which I recommend you do. Just wait until the promotion before you transfer your HSBC points to British Airways Avios. Now, you can also use those HSBC points and directly redeem it on flights that you paid using this credit card. And the amount of statement credit that you get from your points looks like this. So if you redeem 25,000 points, you get $125 statement credit. If you redeem 35,000 points, you get $175 statement credit. And basically it goes on like this. So 45,000 is $225, 55,000 points is $275, 65,000 points is $325, 75,000 points is $375, 85,000 points is $425, 95,000 points is $475, 105,000 points is $525, 115,000 points is $575, 125,000 points is $625, and 135,000 points is $675, and it goes on just like this. Now, this card also comes with a lot of amazing perks, and those perks include Mastercard Airport Experience Lounge Access provided by LoungeKey. You also get unlimited Wi-Fi access through Boingo. This one is very useful because some airports do charge you for Wi-Fi, and having this is a lifesaver. You get 10% discount when you book with Expedia and Agoda. You get worldwide emergency travel medical insurance up to 31 days. You get baggage delay or loss insurance, trip cancellation insurance, trip interruption and delay insurance, car rental insurance, purchase assurance and extended warranty insurance, and $100 annual travel enhancement credit. Now, the $100 travel enhancement credit is very interesting because there's multiple ways that you can use this travel credit. The first one would be to book a flight. Second would be to use this enhancement credit for seats and luggages. You can also buy airport lounge pass with this. And finally, the best use of this is probably to use Expedia to make a booking. I personally have used Expedia to make a refundable flight booking, and I just applied that $100 enhancement credit, and I'm gonna wait until a few days to see when that travel credit gets posted. The HSBC World Elite Mastercard also offers limited time promotion that are time sensitive. So at the moment of me making this video, they have a promotion with Spotify where you get 3 months of your membership reimbursed. However, because I signed up to this card fairly late, then I think I'm only eligible for 2 months. They also have a DoorDash promotion where you get 30% cash back on your orders, but I'm probably gonna avoid this because I'm trying to lose weight, and if I get this, I'm just gonna get fat. So overall, this card is a very solid card during promotional periods. I think that the travel insurance is also a good one that you can stack with other credit cards that offer some kind of similar service, like the latest National Bank World Elite Mastercard, where you get 60 days with that card. So if you like to travel frequently, Then if you travel for a longer period of time, then you can use that 60 days with that National Bank World Elite Mastercard. And if you are just traveling for 30 days, then you can go ahead and use the HSBC World Elite Mastercard. And altogether, you get 3 months worth of travel insurance during the year, which is fantastic. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. And don't forget to sign up to our Travel and Live Free newsletter, where you can get a 10-step cheat sheet on how to travel around the world. You also get the latest tips and strategies on how to save money on travel for Canadians, how to go on around the world adventure travel for Canadians, and how to use travel to get more freedom in your life as a Canadian. You can sign up for that newsletter in the description below. Until next time, I'll see you then.